Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In the last episode, we have discussed about the pre-monsoon tips and the car care tips. In this episode, we will be discussing about how to tackle the muddy situation. Yes, it often happens that you go off-road and the roads are not up to the mark and you will have tire spins like this. We have some clips for your references as well. After getting into the muddy road, you need to follow these driving instructions. The first and foremost, turn off your AC. Yes, turning off the air conditioner system will also reduce the overload on the engine. So it will definitely enhance your engine performance. The second important aspect is if you are turning off the AC, there will be a foggy weather inside your car. So make sure your windows are open and it will also give you extra advantage of audio inputs. Yes, you will get a clear idea of noises as well. So open windows will help you out. The third most important factor is the driving mode of your car. Please note you have various modes like sports mode, eco mode or the off-road or a traction control mode. So make sure that your car is in proper mode so it will definitely support you during this ride. Last but not the least, please don't hurry up. Extra acceleration will spin the tire on the same location and it will definitely lose all the traction. So it is highly recommended to get control on your clutch as well acceleration. It will definitely make your car out of the mud. We have some clips for your references as well. Please watch this carefully and make your journey safer and smarter. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from SMARTDrive.
Primeira posse. Ficou. Merda do Chile, lá no saco. Cara, não solta muito. Mano, ainda fugiram a buraco. Eu quero o buraco. Opa! Anel! Ah! Tu não escolhia cravado, estava para dizer. Cara, não vai conseguir.